Good morning and Jai Hind to all. Hello everyone. Welcome to Saraswati Sishukunj Bagwala Borsad English Medium. Standard 3rd, Subject EVS. Chapter number 6, Chotu's House. In this video, we will study Chapter 6 of EVS. That is Chotu's house. So let's begin with the chapter. Here one picture is there. We have to see that picture carefully. In first picture we can see that Chotu come to Mumbai for first time. Chotu come to Mumbai for first time. He is surprisingly looking here and there. Here you can see Chotu surprisingly looking here and there. What is there? Main character of the story is Chotu. In this story, main character is Chotu. He looking over the road and thinking about the road. He is looking over the road and thinking what is going on the road. He looking over the road and thinking about the road, house, people and surrounding things which he shown in the first time, because Chotu came to Mumbai for first time. So for him it is new. In first picture we have seen, in the first picture we can see busy road, people walking on it, and vehicles are running on road. Let's see second pictures. In the second picture, we can see that it is raining, as well as other two more children along with Chotu. One girl is running toward house. Chotu is there, another two children are there, and rain is raining. In the third picture, we can see that Chotu is sleeping inside the pipe, outside there, inside the pipe, and outside there is rain. In the fourth picture, we can see that Chotu is preparing food, something to eat, and he stored water in vessels, he kept clothes for drying, and he laid bedsheet for sleeping in the pipe. Okay. In the fifth picture, we can see that same picture as the first one. Chotu is looking over the roads and vehicles. Chotu is surprisingly looking over the roads and vehicles. Now, in the sixth picture, we can see that Chotu is talking to his friend, but it is not inside the pipe, but outside of the pipe. He made room for sitting safe from sunlight. Here, he made something. He made room for sitting under it. Here we learn picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, picture 4, picture 5, and picture 6. Here some questions are given on the base of story. We have to give the answer of the questions. One picture is given. Study the picture carefully and answer the following. What did Chotu think when he looked at the pipe? What Chotu thought when first time he looked toward the pipe? When Chotu looked at the pipe, he thought that pipe would be the safest place to live. Pipe is the safest place to live. Pipe could save him from strong winds, rain and cold. Next question. How did Chotu use the pipe? How did Chotu use? Chotu used the pipe as a home. Chotu use the pipe as a home. Into which part did Chotu divide the pipe? In which parts Chotu divide the pipe? Chotu divided the pipe and its surrounding area into following parts. First one is a part for sleeping, a part for cooking, a part for drying clothes, a part for storing water, a part where guests can sit or guest room. In which part of this house will Chotu like to spend most of his time? In which part of the house Chotu spend most of his time? Chotu would like to spend most of his time in the part which was meant for guests. Means he likes to spend most of time in guest room. Why do you think Chotu invited Monu to live with him in the pipe? Why Chotu had invited the Monu? Chotu invited Monu to live with him in the pipe because of the following reason. Monu had no place to live. Chotu needed someone's company. Here Chotu is alone in the Mumbai and he wants someone's company. That's why he invited Monu. Here we learn that we need a house to protect ourselves from heat, cold, rain, thieves and animals, because we need house to live. If we are not living in house, if we are out of house, then we are not safe, because there is heat in the summer season, there is cold, rain, thieves and wild animals are there. A house in which we can live with our family is our home, where we are living with all our family members. It is called our home. A house has many rooms. In our house there are so many rooms. Each room is used for different purpose. We are using different part of our house for different purpose. Drawing room for sitting. Okay. Dining room we use for eating meals, lunch, dinner, breakfast. Okay. And there will be a round table, chair, plate, spoon. Bedroom. We are using bedroom for taking rest or for sleeping. In our bedroom, there is a pillow, bed sheet, cupboard, bathroom. We are using bathroom for taking bath. In bathroom, there is a bucket, tub, shop. Okay. Kitchen. We use one part of our house for kitchen. Kitchen is used for cooking food. Gas, cutlery, vessels are there. Storeroom. We are using storeroom for storing things. And garage are used for parking our vehicles like bike, scooter, car, etc. So drawing room, dining room, bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, storeroom and garage are some of them. Those are the parts of our house. Here we see parts of house and which things were kept in it. First one is drawing room. We meet our guests in our drawing room. When guests are arrived on our house, we are meeting them in our drawing room. In drawing room, sofa will be there, center table, carpet. In dining room, we are using for eating meals. Dining table, dish, spoons will be there. Bedroom, we are using bedroom for sleeping or taking rest. Bed, cupboard and dressing table will be there. Bathroom, bathroom is a part of our house where we are taking bath. Bucket, mug and tub is there. Kitchen, kitchen is a place of a home where we are cooking food. Cooking food, gas, cutlery and fridge will be there. Another extra materials will be there. Garage, we are using garage for parking vehicles. Storeroom, storeroom is used to storing the extra things. Let's start exercise. Question 1, match the following. Match A with B. Here room's name is given and here its use is given. You have to match it. Drawing room. When we use drawing room, for what purpose? Drawing room used to meet our guests. When guests are coming at our home, we are sitting in drawing room. Dining room. We use dining room for eating meals. Third number, bedroom. You all know we are using bedroom for sleeping or taking rest. Bathroom. Bathroom is used for taking bath. Kitchen. You all know kitchen is used to cook food. Garage. Garage is used to park the vehicles. Parking the vehicles. Storeroom. Storeroom is used to store things. Again, drawing room, meet our guest. Dining room, eating meals. Bedroom for sleeping or taking rest. Bathroom for taking bath. We use kitchen for cooking food. We use garage for parking the vehicles. And last, storeroom for storing things. Okay, question 2. Encircle the odd one out. Here 4 options are given, 4 things are given. You have to encircle that word which is not suitable for all. Suppose here first one is sofa, center table, carpet, utensils. So here sofa, center table, carpet, those are things of drawing room, while utensils is a things of kitchen. So we are circle on utensils. Next, gas, cutlery, bed, fridge. Here gas, cutlery and fridge are things of kitchen, while bed is a things of bedroom. So we will circle on bed. Third one, bed, cupboard, tub, dressing table. Here bed, cupboard and dressing table are things of bedroom, while tub is a things of bathroom. So we will circle on tub. Fourth one, gas, bucket, mug, tub. Here bucket, mug and tub are things of bathroom, while gas is a things of kitchen. So we will circle on it. Here we have to circle the things which one is odd. Okay, next question. Answer the following questions. Here questions are given, you have to answer it. Let's see, why do we need a house? Why do we need? We need a house because a house protect ourselves from heat, cold, rain, thieves and animals. Second number, what are some of the rooms in our house? We already learned in videos there are so many rooms in our house. Let's see, drawing room, dining room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, storeroom, garage are rooms in our house. Students, remaining part of a chapter we will learn in next video. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.